friends, welcome to Neela Studio. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a salwar in an easy method and also looking very professional. We are first going to start cutting the belt for the salwar. For that we need to measure 9 inches from top to down, and the length of the belt should be 22.5 inches on fold. But since we don't have, we will only cut 17.5 inches first, and then we will cut the balance piece after we cut the salwar bottom. I have cut now 9 inches into 17.5 inches on a folded fabric. Next we need to add another 5.5 inches on a fold fabric to join with this later. Now let us mark the length for the salwar. The length is 33 inches including the seam allowance. So mark 33 inches on the fold like this. There are 2 layers of folded fabric on the table. First we will mark 17.5 width for the salwar. Next we will mark the ankle width of the salwar here for 8 inches. 7 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance. We are going to add more fabric to this side of the salwar. So mark 16 inch below like this, and we will cut another part to attach with this so that we will get more gathers, that is pleat. This side will be F. Now connect from top to the ankle end. You can see that I have laid 2 folded fabric like this. I am going to mark the other part to be attached for the salwar for gathering, which is going to be 16 to 17 inches here, and then I am going to take the crotch length, which is 9 inches, and mark here. Okay, so you can see the fabric layout so you can understand better. This is the other part of the salwar to be attached for getting more gathers. This side of the salwar will be F, and we will be attaching to the other part, which is G. Cut out both the legs of the salwar. This part will be the G, which we will attach to F part of the salwar. We will be joining the G side to the F side as marked in the earlier picture. I will be taking it to the machine and attach F to G. This part will have 4 pieces in total, 2 on each leg. Next, we need fabric to attach to the belt. As we have only 17.5 inches length, we need another 5.5 to cut. Remember, this should also be cut on fold. We will be joining here, which is H and I. half an inch seam allowance to join. Our waist belt will have 22.5 inches in length. Next, we'll cut out the ankle facing fabric. We'll be adding the fusing to it to make it more stiff. You can see my earlier video on the salwar how I attach the facing. Next, the salwar was also cut and ready to be attached to the belt, and the ankle facing is also cut and ready. Now I have attached the H and I marked for the belt. So now I am getting 22.5 inches length for the waist belt. See, you can see that I have joined here. Mark 1 inch from the center seam line so that we can attach and fold it here. Now mark 1.5 inches to fold for the tunnel and leave 1 inch another point where we will not be attaching. So attach here, then leave 1 inch without stitching, and the below you have to stitch. Should be an open here like this for the tunnel. Now fold in the center seam on either side like this, half an inch fold, and then stitch it straight from top to down. Mark 1.5 inches again on top so that we will know where to fold for the casing. Fold half an inch and then turn it over to 1 inch and then keep it below and pin it up there. Fold the belt waist pad for the casing like this and pin it up to stitch. We have an open casing for the drawstring. The belt for the salwar is ready to be attached. Next step will be to attach the ankle facing, which fusing has been pasted, and then you attach it like this. If you need to see it in detail, please see my earlier video. Repeat the same way on the other leg also. Now I am going to attach the F part to G part, which has been cut on both the side. After joining F to G part on both the side for both the legs, we will now have to attach the crotch area for the salwar here. So we will take it to the machine and join both the leg crotch. After attaching the ankle facing, we will join both the leg inseam from the ankle to the other ankle. Next, we will attach the back part of the belt to the back part of the salwar bottom. This salwar, I am keeping two pleats at the center back of the salwar for more comfort. Now attach the back waist belt to the back salwar part from side to side only. So the two pleats will go inside like that. Just 1 inch, 1 inch pleat. We'll now make uniform pleats to be attached in the front side of the belt. So the pleats should be very uniform. You can see my earlier video to know how to pleat it. For pleating, we'll have to measure and see if it is of the same width and attached to the belt. See how nicely the pleat falls for this salwar. Hope this was easy to understand, and thank you for watching my video.